to my channel, where we discuss everything about things, politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. The family of the 10th leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, has alleged that the Southeast governors has failed to meet the condition given by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for his release. That is what we're going to talk about in this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, the family of the detained leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, has alleged that the Southeast governors are not doing enough for the release of their son, brother, and father, including meeting the condition set by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for his release. Prince Emmanuel Kanu, who spoke in Umuahia during the memorial in honor of their late father or their late parents, His Royal Majesty Israel and Ugeze Kanu, said that the governors had not demonstrated genuine commitment towards his freedom. Prince Kanu wondered why the governors have not met with the condition given to them by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, arguing that if truly they are sincerely committed to his release, they would have sought an audience with the president over his case. He said, and I quote, "Southeast governors are not doing enough to secure the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. It is either they are complicit or something. The big question is, why have they not met with Mr. President on Nnamdi Kanu? The information available to us is that Mr. President asked them to meet with him officially over the matter, but up till now, they have not done so. Are the governors benefiting from the unrest in the Southeast, or what? What are they afraid of? Freeing Nnamdi Kanu today, and all this tension in the Southeast will fizzle out in 24 hours, because we will now know those hiding under the guise of the agitation for his release to perpetrate crime in the region." End of quote. The family went on speaking to Prince Emmanuel Kanu to make reference to what happened in Abuja, where there was an exchange on whether Justice Binta Nyako should continue with Kanu's case or not. And the family insisted that the woman is biased, the Honorable Justice is biased against their son, and that she should recuse herself, and that recusing herself is the best thing that could happen. And they also made a reference to the fact that they had asked for this woman, this Honorable Justice, for Nnamdi Kanu to be transferred from the DSS facility to the correctional center because of what they allege Nnamdi Kanu is passing through under DSS detention. Yet, this woman continued to allow this Justice Binta Nyako continue to deny the movement of Kanu from the DSS facility to the correctional center. So they stipulated why the woman should not continue to preside over Nnamdi Kanu's matter. And finally, they call on the international community to pressure the Nigerian government for the release of Nnamdi Kanu, insisting that Nnamdi Kanu did not commit any crime. Now, having listened to what Nnamdi Kanu's family said about the Southeast governors, that they have failed to meet the condition given to them by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for his release. One thing, my reaction to it is that the family should also be careful how they go about it, in the sense that blaming the governors without blaming Bola Ahmed Tinubu is not the right thing. Why did I say this? President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, shortly after he became president, obviously directed the Attorney General of the Federation to withdraw the case of Sunday Igboho, who was also a separatist agitator like Nnamdi Kanu. Don't forget that Sunday Igboho, when the DSS invaded his house in Ibadan, people were killed and guns, AK-47s, were recovered. And charges of treason and all that was filed against him by the Buhari administration. The Tinubu administration that came in, shortly after, withdrew the case that was filed against Sunday Igboho. In other words, they applied a non-kinetic approach to free Igboho, and Igboho was set free. That same Igboho that was set free, it means that there was even no condition extracted from him to stop agitating for Yoruba nation. Because if there was such an agreement, he wouldn't have gone to 10 Downing Street in London to submit a petition for the Yoruba nation to be created. It's either that his freedom, his agitation for Yoruba nation, there was no extraction of the condition that he should not be agitating for Yoruba nation before he was released. And there was no evidence that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu extracted any conditions from Southwest governors. We have not heard. Perhaps if there was, we have not seen it, where President Bola Ahmed Tinubu extracted any conditionality whatsoever from the Southwest governors before the release of, before the case of Sunday Igboho was withdrawn and no more charges against him. So if no conditionalities was given to the Southwest governors, why should Tinubu be giving conditions to the Southeast governors for Nnamdi Kanu to be released? What I'm trying to say is that ab initio, perhaps Tinubu administration has no intention to release Nnamdi Kanu, because we were not told that there was any pressure by Southwest governors to release Igboho. We didn't know about that. I'm not aware of it. As somebody who operates in the media space, I'm not aware of it. That that Southwest governors pressured Tinubu to release to 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 withdraw the case against Sunday Igboho. So that being said, that doesn't mean that people should not find a way. If governors themselves have to make effort to release, to pressure the government to release Nnamdi Kanu, as they are saying that will help to bring peace in Southeast region. And the family themselves are also believing strongly, because if you listen to what Prince Kanu said, he said that within 24 hours, if he's released, that Southeast will have peace, and then it will be easy to differentiate those who are involved in criminality under the guise of agitation. So my take in the allegation made against the governor, I know that Southeast governors, many of them are just playing politics. They are playing politics with this Nnamdi Kanu matter. Okay? But the truth of the matter remains that if Tinubu, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is committed to the release of Nnamdi Kanu, he would have done the same thing he did with Sunday Igboho by ordering, instructing his Attorney General to withdraw the case and find a political solution to the reasons for agitation by some young men in Southeast and some other people who are agitating about the creation of Biafra from Nigeria. Just like you have those who are calling for the creation or separation of Yoruba nation from Nigeria. That's, to me, is the way to look at it, that Tinubu does not have the political will. He does not want yet to release Nnamdi Kanu, because if he wants to do it, he don't need to give any conditions to the Southeast governors. When he didn't give conditions, at least to our knowledge, for the release of Sunday Igboho. Sunday Igboho, whose arms were found in his residence in Ibadan, where some of his boys were caught with AK-47s. Go and read the report of when DSS invaded his home. But we have not heard that something like that was found in the home of Nnamdi Kanu during the military's alleged invasion of his family home, which, according to the family, it was the trauma from that invasion that eventually led to the death of their father, His Royal Highness Israel Kanu, and their mother. So, having said that, let us know that if Tinubu wants to do it, releasing Nnamdi Kanu, he will do it. So the idea of blaming the Southeast governors that they have not met the condition, I don't think that is a serious reason why Nnamdi Kanu had not been released. It's just that Tinubu is not yet ready for his release. That's my take. I don't know what to think about this, but whatever is your position on this matter, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.